If you watch natural hair videos on YouTube, you're familiar with deep condition and chat with me's. Well, welcome to my first deep condition and cook with me. Nick asked me just a minute ago if I was really going to do a cooking video like this. My answer was yes. Hi, it's Amanda. Welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be making my tomato sauce today. All of the items I use in this video, along with any tools, will be listed in the description box below. So here we go. Pat of butter, olive oil. That's making that beautiful sound. So now it's time for the onions, Celtic sea salt, pepper, tomato paste, harissa, basil paste, an Italian herb paste, which is not open yet, anchovy fillets for some salt, garlic powder, basil, thyme, what is this, oregano, onion powder, paprika, and cumin. Stir. It's starting to stick to the pan a little bit, so I'm just going to put in a little bit of water. Given the tomatoes don't have any innate seasoning in them, they can make this taste very bland. So I'm going to go in with another round of seasonings. I'm going to bring it to a slight boil, and then I'm going to let it simmer until we're ready to use it. So it's got a good amount of spice in it. It's missing some kind of salt flavor though. Not salt specifically. A little unconventional, but I'm going to put in some coconut aminos. This is a substitute for soy sauce. And then I'm going to put in a little bit of white wine. I'm also adding in a little bit more of the basil paste. I'm going to heat it up a little bit more, and then I'm going to try it again. Aiden, now you? I'm sorry, can you move your bike out of the way?
Just like a muff.
Layla.
Wash my car.
Oh, sorry. Go back to the cabinet. All right, I'm going to give it another try.
Buddy Mike.
What?
It's actually much better. I think it needs more tomato paste, but in terms of flavor, it's a really good place now. I'm going to put in maybe another teaspoon of tomato paste, and then I'm going to bring it to a boil, as I mentioned, then I'm going to let it simmer.
If you break the iPad?
We're going to have to mortgage one of your legs.
Yeah.
And then it'll be really difficult to run.
And then I'll have to walk this like that.
With one leg.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So it's reached a nice boil.
Yeah.
I'm going to give it a little stir. Layla, stop. Ah! Let's turn it down to low. Pop this on. I'm actually going to move it to a back burner so it's not in my way, because I now have to cook some pasta and then I'm going to go make a salad. It will be sitting there for the next 40 minutes or so. Oof. I don't think we're supposed to put the baby on the stove. Okay. This whole time I thought I had spaghetti or linguine, but I actually don't. So I am using this brown rice, gluten-free brown rice pasta from Thrive Market. I've never had it before, and I wasn't really looking to have it for the first time on pizza night, but this is what I have available. The tomato sauce has been simmering for probably like an hour and a half.
Let me see your picture.
It's not. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It looks very like clumpy, and it doesn't look very appetizing, but I'm gonna mix it with the sauce and put some cheese on it and see how it is. It tastes okay. It tastes more like a noodle than a pasta though.
Tell me new picture. Look at that picture. I like that picture.
You're very vain. Okay. The only thing I've done since I was last here is I drizzled some olive oil, some extra virgin olive oil into the tomato sauce. Okay. The tomato sauce is really good. The pasta's good. It's fine. It's just that it doesn't... I was expecting and wanting spaghetti or linguine, and this is not that. Thank you for joining me for my first deep conditioning cook with me. Like, comment, subscribe, and share, and I will see you in my next video. Have a good one.